Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn badges in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, first you will need to have a Trailhead account. You can just go to the trailhead.salesforce.com and create or log in with your account. You can use your Salesforce account or any your Google account to connect it to this. So after that, you will need to start learning or earning points. And by earning points, you will be able to start earning badges. So as you can see, you already can find that there is an explorer badges, and I will need to complete this scroll or this bar. And I'm here as a hiker, and I will need just to go to the explorer rank and I can get my badge. You can go to your profile and find all your badges or see your old badges. So from here we can find the certifications, and here the super badge, and this is the badge. So basically, when you finish any module, you will be able to have some badges. So basically, we need just to go to the learn trails or modules, and here I'm going to choose any module, and basically you can start learning. But preferably to go to the trails and choose a trail and complete it so you can earn a badge. For example, let's just get ready for Agent Force, and basically it will make you earn 1500 points, and you will see all the module that it will need. So when you are going to finish this trail, you will be able to earn this badge. So you will need just to click on start, and basically you will access to this module, and you will need just to start proceeding, uh, answering the questions, doing the practices, projects, etc. until you finish the learning path. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.